The BrainPad official kits are made for easy plug-in play with all BrainPad microcomputers. Let's check out the BrainSense kit.
The BrainPad BrainSense kit is an excellent demonstration of how smart homes and connected cities of the future are built. The BrainSense kit includes the components needed to build your own smart home. It includes several sensors and actuators to sense and control the surrounding environment. Connect it to one of the BrainPad microcomputers to code it and bring it to life. The assembled house stores conveniently inside the reusable case. The BrainSense kit includes a built-in battery pack, allowing the house to operate as a standalone project. Create a plant sensor that sounds an alarm when watering is needed. Motion sensors can be programmed to open doors, flash lights, or sound an alarm. Temperature and flame sensors can be programmed to trigger a cooling fan or extinguish a flame. Building smart homes isn't the only thing the BrainSense kit does. You can use the controller board and pulse with any configuration of sensors you choose to make and test your own projects. Technology and our environment working together. What will you create? Play, code, excel.